Those ministers that have been chosen in the cabinet.
What's up, my people? Welcome to Luziro Media TV. Men General Overseer of Deeper Life Church don't come out. Yan say, which in name be Pastor Williams Kumuyi. He don't come out. Yan say, we go experience better change for Bola Tinubu as he dey rule Nigeria now. He talk say make we just support them now. Wetin we need na to support them. Say God go take them walk. So na so I take say am this morning. I say make I share am with una. So he say make we support, make we give them full support. Say make we no dey criticize them. Say with those ministers wey he don bring, say dem no be new people. Say dem don do many good things already. So watch the video and see for yourself. Thank you very much.
Those ministers that have been chosen in the cabinet, they are not new people that have never done anything. If you look at them one by one, you'll see the good things they've done. If we support them, if we are not, criticizing every step and they don't know where to stand, if we accept them and we believe that God will work through them, He'll use them as instruments to build our nation, let's forget the past. This is a new day. And I believe, and we all believe, we're going to see new things for our country through our president and through the members of the cabinet. Good things will happen.